out there now.
Nope. Stand next to it.
It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, way higher.
Way higher.
I like it.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's great. I have to hop up beforehand, but yeah, I can make it down. Look.
So I know what you're thinking. What a handsome man. No? Is it just me? Anyways. Hey everybody. It's your boy Sess. With another video. And this time, we're doing things a little differently. Instead of lowering a car and scraping the floor, we are trying to do the opposite. We want to avoid getting scraped and breaking anything. This is my friend Gerar Motors. And I asked him to be here today because he has many years of experience lifting trucks, like the FJ. And I could say it went flawlessly and it took an hour, but it did not. This is where we realized we were kind of screwed. The lug nut key provided by the last owner was broken and it did not work. This is where years of experience come in, where you can think outside the box, something I would have never thought of. Now, I can tell you what the secret is, but I don't want to be liable for any wheel thefts. Moving forward. Overall, everything was pretty straightforward. Take out a few bolts here, take out a few bolts down there, take out the strut tower, put in the spacer, put it back in. And yes, this can be a one-person project. However, having a second person really did come in handy. If you're in the Orlando area, check him out. I'm gonna leave his details in the bio. Tell him I sent you. Sess Builds. Or how he calls me, Sess Builders.
Whoa, he's high up there now.
Stand next to it.
It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, way higher.
Way higher.
I like it.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's great. I have to hop up beforehand, but yeah, I can make it down. Look.
It's funny.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice,
I
right?
like it. Are we gonna go higher?
Maybe in the back.
Wait, so this is the highest it's gonna be in the front.
Yeah.
So now it's leveled, but you want it to be
It's
like this?
level-ish. I feel like the front is a little higher than the rear.
Yeah, I kind of see that too.
Yeah. About the same?
Not the same.
Maybe it's just an
Maybe to
optical
your eye,
optical
yeah.
illusion.
You know what? We can go a while without the stud.
Yeah.
I just have to. You know?
It's funny.
What an eventful day. We raced up the car. And now Amazon came in. And I am replacing these guys for these. Sure, they're not best of the best, but I don't think front tweeters need to be the best thing ever. They're not gonna blow. I'm not running an extra amp or anything, so this will do. These are nice. These were cheap. I'm doing everything here. I'm going to do the what's like a heat solder, and then I have the ends that are coming off, so I'm going to redo it. So whatever that was. What we have to do is make this hole. Oh, make this hole here. So just going to drill something that big there, and then we'll use this OEM part to go in here. Very grateful for my friend to help me out. If you need any repairs and you are in Orlando, hit him up. He will take good care of you. Alright, so I took a little bit of measuring, cutting, measuring and cutting, and yeah, it's pretty much in. I really didn't measure anything, I just cut. Just cut what you need to cut. It's just plastic, it's hidden anyways. And I was able to put the mount back there and this one, and it's falling out. But it's gonna tighten up with this. So okay, speakers are done. There is a back piece to this that you have to pull out, cut out, whatever you want to do. I did both, and I just glued the dust cover back on. I mean, it should. I haven't tested it yet, so look at that. It's right in like a glove. Hooked up the other side, and we are done for today. What a great eventful day. I'm gonna pull out the car, get some shots of it lifted, and hopefully you like it. Final look. Final look. The car has been raised, it has been aligned, and the last thing I did was paint the wheels black. I think the car's looking great so far. Orange with the black looks good. Yeah, I think so far car looks good. The ride's really good. It aligned almost perfect. I think I'm gonna need to get upper control arms at some point. It looks really good though. Look at this. The competition. The competition. What do you think? FJ Forerunner. Oh yeah. Well, that's it for this video. I appreciate you sticking around. Make sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know what you're working on. See ya.